Ano po ba dapat tayo magbigay para mapatunayan natin na tayo ay tunay na nagmamahal? Sabi nga po ni Archbishop So, the proof of loving is in giving. We give flowers, chocolates, presents because we love the person. A person who can't give can't be called a loving person. That is why to love without the willingness to give is simply hypocrisy. Kung ganun, we need to learn how to give generously. Matutong magbigay ng maluwag. To give generously means to be able to give and have not truly keep anything for ourselves. The courage to give rise from the realization that those who love and serve the Lord can never run out of blessing, will never lack any good thing, will never experience being abandoned by the Lord.